Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Journey with Reddy. If you are from non-IT background and thinking coding is difficult, don't worry. This channel is for you. Here, I will teach Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Power Platform in a very simple way. On this channel, you will get easy tutorials and real examples and interview questions and answers. My goal is to help you to grow your career in tech with confidence. So please like, share, and support the channel. Let's start the journey. Before we go deeper, let's first understand some basic concepts. This is just beginning. We'll go deeper in upcoming videos. Let's start with the simple questions. CRM and what are the main competitors of Dynamics 365? Where CRM is used? Why CRM is important? I'll explain each one of them. Firstly, what is Microsoft Dynamics CRM? Microsoft Dynamics CRM is a cloud-based suite of enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management applications developed by Microsoft. It unifies data analytics and workflows across sales, finance, operations, and customer service. The platform supports businesses of all sizes in automating process and making data-driven decisions. It is one of the leading industry CRM software available in the market. It was developed by Microsoft and it is initially released 2016, and there are several types of models are there like sales, finance, supply chain, marketing, customer service, field service, and customer insights. And also you can integrate with Microsoft products and and it and the cost also is very low. And many people still confused or Dynamics CRM, Dynamics 365, and Dynamics 365 is same. Let's understand this in a simple way. Earlier, Microsoft had something called Dynamics CRM. This was mainly used to manage customer sales and support. But now, Microsoft introduced a bigger platform called Dynamics 365. Dynamics 365 is not just CRM, it also includes ERP, which means it can handle business operations like finance and operations along with the customer management. And Dynamics 365 is just a short name of Dynamics 365. So in simple words, Dynamics CRM is the old version, Dynamics 365 is the new and advanced platform, and D365 is just shortcut name. That's it, very simple. Next question. What are the main competitors of Dynamics CRM? Some of the main competitors are Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, HubSpot, and Zoho. So Salesforce is one of the best CRM platforms and widely used by large companies. SAP and Oracle are mainly used by large enterprises for complex business needs. HubSpot and Zoho are more simple and affordable, mostly used by small and medium businesses. So different companies choose different CRM tools based on their needs. But Dynamics 365 has more strong advantages. It works seamlessly with Microsoft tools like Teams, Outlook, and Excel, which most companies already use. It also supports low-code development using Power Platform, so even non-IT users can build apps and automate work. Another advantage is that it combines both CRM and ERP in one system, which makes it more powerful and also cost effective compared to many other CRM tools. And finally, it is easy to use and scalable for small and large businesses. So because of these advantages, many companies prefer Dynamics 365. In simple words, these are the competitors and why Dynamics 365 stands out. Let's move to the other question. Why the Dynamics 365 is important? Dynamics 365 is important because it makes business work easier and more efficient. First, it works very well with Microsoft tools like Teams, Outlooks, and Excel, which many companies already use. Second, no coding is needed. You can build apps and automate work using Power Platform, even if you are from non-IT background. Third, it is an all-in-one system. You can manage sales, customer service, and business data in one place. Another important point is that it is affordable compared to many other CRM tools. And finally, it is easy to use and the interface is simple and beginner friendly. Because of all these reasons, Dynamics 365 is widely used by companies. In simple words, Dynamics 365 saves time, improves productivity, and helps business grow faster. Let's move to the next question. Where CRM is used? CRM is used in many industries such as banking and finance, healthcare, retail and e-commerce, telecom, real estate, education, sales and marketing. I will explain in more detail. In healthcare, it is used to store patient information and manage opportunities. And for example, in banking and finance, CRM helps manage customer accounts and services. In retail and e-commerce, CRM helps track customer purchases and send offers. In telecommunications, it is used to handle customer queries and manage plans. In real estate, CRM helps track buyers and manage property deals. In education sector, it is used to manage student and data and admissions. And finally, in sales and marketing, CRM is used in all industries to manage lead and run campaigns. In simple words, CRM is used everywhere, wherever there are customers. That's why CRM is one of the most important tools in today's business world. Let's move to the next question. Why should you learn Dynamics 365? And CRM is a good career? Yes, CRM is definitely a good career, and learning Dynamics 365 can open many opportunities. First, there is a high demand. Many companies are using CRM tools, so there are plenty of opportunities, and you don't always need coding. Even non-IT students can start their career in this field. Third, it offers good salary growth as you gain experience. Another reason is that it is easy to learn compared to other technologies. And most importantly, CRM skills are used in almost every industry. So your career options are wide. So if you want to enter the tech field in a simple way, Dynamics 365 is a great choice. In simple words, yes, CRM is a good career and Dynamics 365 is one of the best ways to start. In the upcoming videos, we will learn each topic step by step in a very simple way. If you need this PPT, comment below. I will share the link with you. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to support the channel. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another video very soon. Until then, take care and keep learning.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and